Zero emissions with zero compromises. Introducing the first ever Hyundai Kona Electric, the 2019 North American Utility Vehicle of the Year. Bold styling, powerful performance, and the efficiency of an all-electric drivetrain. It's the reimagination of the SUV. Thanks to its high-efficiency electric motor, which is powered by an innovative lithium-ion polymer battery, the Kona Electric can drive up to an EPA-estimated 258 miles on a single charge. That's a non-stop travel range that's in the top tier of the all-EV category. The digital instrument cluster keeps you up to speed on energy flow and battery life in real time. And the shift-by-wire system on the center console enables you to shift between park, drive, and reverse at the touch of a button, while offering room underneath for storage. There are also paddles on each side of the steering wheel that let you increase and decrease the level of regenerative braking energy while driving to further extend battery life. And when it's finally time to recharge the battery, it couldn't be more convenient. The charging port is hidden in the front grille for easy access. And thanks to its standard fast charger, when the Kona Electric is connected to a 100 kilowatt fast charging station, it can reach approximately 80% of charge in less than an hour. The Kona Electric's lithium-ion polymer battery is designed to perform in every climate. A standard battery temperature management system pre-warms the battery when the Kona Electric is connected to a charger. This helps maximize performance and driving range, especially when the temperatures drop. And a standard heat pump system improves HVAC efficiency, reducing power demands and the effect that weather can have on overall vehicle range. With 291 pound-feet of instant torque, the Kona Electric accelerates in a flash, making it incredibly fun to drive. A standard multi-link rear suspension enhances overall agility and handling for a sporty, responsive feel of the road. And the Kona Electric also features Drive Mode Select, which allows you to customize the responsiveness of the steering and powertrain. Choose between Comfort, Eco for more conservative power delivery, and Sport, which uses the electric power to boost torque levels for a more dynamic driving experience. The Kona Electric looks striking from every angle. Its aerodynamic 17-inch alloy wheels are designed to both stand out and reduce drag to optimize mileage efficiency. Other eye-catching and functional details include LED daytime running lights. Need room for your gear and your passengers? Thanks to the innovative placement of the battery, you can still enjoy full cargo space in the rear, including 60/40 split folding seats that can even fold flat for maximum cargo space. The Kona Electric surrounds you in style and comfort. Proximity keyless entry means no more digging for keys. And once you're inside, just push the button and go. The heated front seats and steering wheel on the Kona Electric provide warming comfort when there's a chill. And when the temperatures rise high, you'll love the cooling sensation. The Kona Electric is filled with technology that enhances driver experience. The heads-up display keeps key information within your line of sight, so you don't have to take your eyes off the road. The wireless charging pad eliminates the need for phone cords and cables. Smartphone connectivity gives you seamless, easy access to all of your music and essential mobile apps right on screen. With the BlueLink mobile app, you're always connected to the Kona Electric wherever you are. Start the engine, set climate control, lock and unlock doors, check charge status, and more, right from your smartphone. And the Kona Electric's rain-sensing wipers add yet another element of convenience. At Hyundai, safety is our top priority. The Kona Electric features Hyundai SmartSense, a full suite of advanced safety technologies. Forward Collision Avoidance Assist can detect a potential forward collision with a pedestrian or vehicle and provide emergency braking assistance if no action is taken. Lane Keeping Assist will alert you if you begin to drift and apply corrective steering to help avoid steering out of your lane. Before switching lanes, Blind Spot Collision Warning lets you know if a vehicle is in your blind spot. Plus, our innovative system senses the speed of a vehicle in the adjacent lane. If it's approaching faster than you can safely make the lane change, it will signal an alarm. Long drive ahead? Driver Attention Warning analyzes your driving patterns and will suggest taking a break if it detects driver fatigue or inattention. Night driving is made a little easier with help from the High Beam Assist system. It automatically detects when to switch high beams on and off. There are two ways Hyundai SmartSense also helps make reversing safer. Parking distance warning sensors let you know if you get too close to an object when you're backing up. And when backing out of a tight parking space, rear cross-traffic collision warning will alert you to vehicles approaching from either side, even before they appear in the rear-view camera. The core of the Kona Electric is made from our very own advanced high-strength steel, making it lightweight yet incredibly strong. And like every Hyundai, the Kona Electric comes backed by America's best warranty, which includes a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty and a lifetime battery warranty. Another benefit of driving the Kona Electric? It may be eligible for a federal tax credit of up to $7,500. For more information, contact your tax professional. An SUV that offers you infinite possibilities is great, but infinite possibilities with zero emissions? Well, that's better for everyone. And that's the Kona Electric, the 2019 North American Utility Vehicle of the Year.
A visionary vehicle concept, sustainable mobility, and inspiring design. This is the all-electric BMW i3.
We had, right from the beginning, developed a specific design strategy for the BMW I sub-brand, where we, of course, want to combine the idea of sustainability, responsibility, together with the idea of emotion, and this is something that we call Next Premium.
Next Premium means defining sustainability on a new level. Renewable sources provide the energy for production. Electric power from a lithium-ion battery drives the vehicle. Long-lasting materials guarantee less energy consumption, and these ideas take shape in a unique vehicle concept.
The BMW i3 is built around a very innovative concept, which we call Live Drive. What is it exactly? It is pretty much the idea to split the driver and the passenger cabin to the drivetrain.
The passenger compartment, as one part of this idea, is made from carbon fiber reinforced plastic. Inside the BMW i3, natural materials underline the extraordinary design, with the sense for sustainability.
We've been using some typical BMW elements, such as the kidney, such as the emblem, but we could treat them in a totally different manner.
U-shaped LED headlights appear more present, and the BMW typical kidney is lined in blue. The futuristic appearance of the BMW i3 stands for zero-emission mobility. Lightweight construction and futuristic design elements go hand in hand and make a vision become reality.
It looks like optically light, but it looks also very modern. This is something that we definitely wanted to basically bring into the design of the i3.
Adding to design, the innovative BMW eDrive technology allows distances of up to 160 kilometers per electric charge.
You could write on this car with a big, let's say, sticker, I'm gonna change the world. And this is what this car is a bit telling you. This is a car which is unique for very unique people.
The BMW i3 is the next step into a new way of mobility. A unique concept has become reality. Carbon fiber. Lightweight, but under the right conditions, extremely solid. BMW I is setting new standards by producing a carbon fiber passenger cell in series. To manufacture this protective passenger cell out of carbon fiber, it takes a lot of steps. And it all starts here, in Moses Lake, Washington. This plant is driven by hydropower to provide the high demand of energy for carbon treatment. Plant manager Steve Swanson explains the steps of production.
This is the krill area. This is the first step in the carbon fiber process. In this area, we take the polyacrylonitrile and form it into a web. The next step in the process is oxidation. The oxidation process stabilizes and oxidizes the material in preparation for carbonization.
This is the final process in carbon fiber production, winding. And this is the final product we'll send to Germany.
More precisely, to Wackersdorf in Bavaria. No pounding steel presses, but looms weave the carbon fiber bundles into textiles.
We really make textile rolls that are then, in the next process, cut into the basic material for the car parts. Very importantly, we also manufacture recycling material. It's an important part of our sustainable manufacturing process.
Unlike conventional textiles, the fibers are not twisted, but laid alongside each other on a single plane. This ensures that the component is as rigid as possible. Not far away, in the BMW plant in Leipzig, Germany, the carbon textiles from Wackersdorf are shaped to the form they need. Resin is pressed between the fibers and then it hardens. The result is a car part. The use of carbon fiber reinforced plastic has an enormous advantage. This enables us to achieve approximately half the weight of steel or 1/3 that of aluminum. That gives us enormous benefits in terms of efficiency, consumption, and dynamic performance. And the passenger cell made of carbon is not only light, but also corrosion-free and crash-safe. It all starts with one carbon fiber that's just about 1/7 the width of a human hair. The result is an extremely lightweight and robust passenger cell in the new BMW i3.